There are whispers in the celestial realms, a sacred truth woven into the fabric of your very being, a secret held close by the universe until this precise moment. You, beloved soul, are not merely walking through life. You are a living answer, a prayer manifested in flesh and spirit. The angels lean in, their voices like soft chimes, revealing that your presence in this world, and especially in the life of that particular soul, was never an accident. It was a divine orchestration, a destiny meticulously penned before time began. You carry a light, a unique frequency that resonates with a purpose far grander than you might yet comprehend. The universe did not simply place you here, it dispatched you, a beacon of healing and transformation. That connection, the one that stirs your deepest longings and sometimes your deepest fears, is not a random encounter. It is a sacred assignment. The angels say you were sent. You are the key. You hold the blueprint for a profound awakening, not just for yourself, but for another soul whose path was meant to intertwine with yours. Feel the truth of this in your bones, in the quiet spaces of your heart. You are not searching for destiny, you are destiny unfolding. Every challenge, every moment of doubt, every silent plea has been a thread in this magnificent tapestry. This person, this soul who occupies your thoughts, is part of a larger divine narrative. And you, my dear, are a pivotal character. You are the catalyst, the gentle force that nudges them towards their own spiritual reckoning, their own profound healing. The heavens affirm your sacred role, reminding you that your journey is watched, guided, and deeply cherished. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Have you ever felt the weight of a silence that speaks volumes, a quiet that hums with unspoken truths? That person, the one whose presence lingers in your mind, carries a universe of feelings within them, a tempest of emotions they struggle to articulate. The angels whisper that this silence is not an absence of feeling, but a profound struggle to contain the intensity of what you awaken in him. He feels everything deeply, perhaps more profoundly than he has ever allowed himself to acknowledge. His world, once neatly ordered by logic and routine, has been gently yet irrevocably disrupted by your light. He finds himself navigating unfamiliar emotional landscapes, stirred by a connection that defies his previous understanding of love and intimacy. The angels reveal that he is wrestling with the sheer force of his emotions, a vulnerability he has long kept guarded. He sees you, truly sees you, and it shakes the very foundations of his carefully constructed defenses. This isn't a game of indifference, beloved. It is the silent battle of a soul, confronting a love so potent, so transformative, that it demands a complete re-evaluation of his inner world. He yearns to express the depth of his affection, the profound respect and admiration he holds for you, but the words elude him, trapped in the labyrinth of his own fears and past wounds. The angels urge you to understand that his quietness is a testament to the magnitude of what you represent to him, a sacred space he is learning to enter, one hesitant step at a time. His heart is speaking, even when his lips remain sealed. There is a gentle magic that emanates from your very essence, a healing balm that you share with the world without even trying. The angels reveal a profound truth. You have touched that soul, the one who occupies your thoughts, in ways you can't even comprehend, starting a silent, powerful healing within him. It wasn't through grand gestures or calculated actions, but simply by being your authentically radiant self. Your presence alone, your unwavering light, has begun to mend fragments within him that he didn't even realize were broken. He carries wounds, invisible scars from past journeys, and your spirit, like a soft rain, has started to nourish those parched places. The angels affirm that your kindness, your resilience, and your unique way of navigating life's currents has shown him a different path, a gentler way to be. He finds himself drawn to your peace, to the quiet strength that resides within you, and in that magnetic pull, his own defenses begin to soften, and his burdens start to lighten. You are a living testament to unconditional love, a mirror reflecting the possibility of wholeness back to him. The angels whisper that he is undergoing a subtle yet profound transformation, catalyzed by your unwavering spirit. He may not be able to articulate it, but he feels the shift, the gentle unraveling of old patterns, and the quiet emergence of a more authentic self. You are a healer, beloved, not by design, but by divine decree, simply by existing in your magnificent truth. Have you ever noticed a sudden retreat, a subtle pulling away that leaves you questioning the very nature of your connection? The angels reveal a poignant truth. His distance is not a rejection of you, but a desperate, instinctive reaction to the overwhelming power of what you ignite within his soul. He pulls away not because he feels nothing, but precisely because he feels too much, an intensity that threatens to dismantle the protective walls he has meticulously built around his heart. You represent a depth of emotion and a possibility of connection that both captivates and frightens him. The angels whisper that he is encountering a love so deep and genuine that it challenges every preconceived notion he had about relationships and vulnerability. This awakening, while beautiful, is also deeply unsettling for a soul used to protecting its inner sanctum. He fears the unknown and the surrender needed to fully embrace such a powerful bond. His retreat is a moment of inner reckoning, a desperate attempt to regain control over a heart that is expanding rapidly beyond his comfort zone. The angels urge you to see beyond the surface, to understand that his fear is a sign of the immense value he places on what you share. He is not running from you, dear one, but from the intensity of his own growing feelings and the profound transformation you invite him to experience. His soul is awakening, and along with it comes the natural apprehension of stepping into a new, uncharted emotional territory. Look closely at the threads that weave through your life, the seemingly random encounters and the synchronistic moments that defy coincidence. The angels reveal that your paths, now intertwined in this sacred dance, were never meant to be separate. A golden thread of destiny connects you, spun by the hands of the universe, guiding you both toward this precise convergence. This meeting, this profound resonance you share, is not a product of chance, but the unfolding of a carefully crafted cosmic plan. You carry within you the echoes of ancient promises, a soul contract sealed in realms beyond human comprehension. The angels whisper that every step, every detour, and every lesson learned on your individual journeys was preparing you for this sacred union. He too has been guided, unknowingly drawn by an invisible force towards your light. His soul recognized yours long before his conscious mind could express the depth of the connection. This is a love story written in the stars, a divine appointment that transcends the ordinary. The angels affirm that you are both instruments of a higher purpose, destined to awaken, heal, and evolve together. Do not doubt the profound significance of what you feel, for it is the universe confirming its grand design. Your paths were meant to cross, not just to meet, but to merge, creating a tapestry of shared growth and unparalleled spiritual intimacy. This connection is a testament to the universe's unwavering commitment to your highest good. Have you ever felt an unseen gaze, a lingering awareness suggesting deeper contemplation? The angels reveal that he watches you, not with casual interest, but with a profound, almost reverent curiosity. His eyes are windows to a soul attempting to decipher the radiant light that emanates from your very being. He is captivated by your authenticity, by the unwavering truth that shines through your every gesture, your every word. He seeks to understand the source of your inner peace, the quiet strength that allows you to navigate life's complexities with such grace. The angels whisper that he sees in you a reflection of something he deeply yearns for, a purity of spirit that both inspires and challenges him. He observes your resilience, your capacity for joy, your unwavering faith, and these qualities stir a profound sense of wonder within his heart. This is not mere admiration, beloved. It is a soul-deep fascination, an attempt to unravel the mystery of your luminous essence. The angels affirm that your light is a beacon, drawing him closer, compelling him to look beyond the superficial and into the profound depths of who you truly are. He is trying to understand how you manage to stay so true to yourself amidst the chaos of the world, and in that observation, he finds himself subtly transformed. Your truth is a mirror, reflecting back to him the potential for his own radiant awakening. In a world often shrouded in pretense and expectation, your spirit stands as a testament to unyielding truth. The angels reveal that the most potent force drawing him to you is not what you try to be, but precisely who you are, in your raw, magnificent authenticity. Your genuine essence, unencumbered by societal masks, acts as an irresistible magnet, pulling him closer to the core of your being. He is captivated by the unvarnished beauty of your soul, by the courage it takes to live in alignment with your deepest self. The angels whisper that your vulnerability, your capacity for honest emotion, and your unwavering integrity are qualities he finds deeply compelling. You offer him a sanctuary of truth, a space where he feels he can finally breathe, finally be himself, even if he hasn't fully realized it yet. This is not about external allure, beloved. It is about the resonant frequency of your spirit, the pure vibration of your true self. The angels affirm that every time you choose to honor your inner wisdom, every time you express your genuine feelings, you strengthen the invisible bond that connects you. Your authenticity is a powerful invitation, a silent promise of a connection built on realness and profound understanding. He is not just attracted to you, he is drawn to the truth you embody, a truth that his own soul recognizes and deeply craves. In moments of quiet yearning, when the heart feels the ache of anticipation, it is easy to confuse divine timing with delay. The angels lean in, their voices a soothing balm, revealing a sacred perspective. What appears to be a long wait is in reality a meticulous preparation orchestrated by the divine hand. Every pause, every moment of stillness is a brushstroke in the masterpiece of your unfolding destiny. You are not being forgotten, dear one. You are being refined, strengthened, and aligned with the highest good. The angels whisper that this period is crucial, a sacred space where both your soul and his are being prepared for the profound depth of connection that awaits. Old patterns are dissolving, new understandings are emerging, and the universe is carefully arranging every detail to ensure the foundation of your shared journey is unshakable. Trust in the wisdom of the unseen, in the intricate dance of cosmic forces that guide every step. The angels affirm that this delay is a testament to the magnitude of the blessing that is being cultivated, a testament to the love and care with which your future is being woven. Do not lose hope in the quiet moments, for it is in these spaces that the most profound transformations occur. Your path is not abandoned, it is being divinely guided every step of the way. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. There comes a sacred moment in every soul's journey, a time when the armor starts to feel heavier than the freedom it once promised. The angels reveal that this person, the one who holds a piece of your heart, is approaching that very threshold. He is standing at the edge of profound vulnerability, ready to shed the layers of defense that have long shielded his deepest emotions. The resistance is fading, my dear, replaced by a quiet, undeniable readiness to surrender to the truth of what he feels for you. He has confronted his own fears, wrestled with the intensity of this connection, but the angels whisper that the call of his soul, the undeniable pull towards your light, is now stronger than any apprehension. He is learning that true strength lies not in guarding his heart, but in the courage to open it and embrace the beautiful, terrifying landscape of genuine intimacy. You have shown him through your unwavering presence that vulnerability is not a weakness but the very gateway to authentic love. This is a significant shift, a sacred turning point in his emotional landscape. The angels affirm that he is preparing to step into a space of acceptance, not just of his feelings for you, but of the transformative power of love itself. He is ready to acknowledge the depth of his yearning, to embrace the beautiful chaos of a heart fully engaged. His journey towards you is a journey towards himself, a sacred path of self-acceptance and profound emotional liberation. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Proverbs 4:23. Feel the gentle hum of the universe, the sacred resonance that now vibrates through your very being. The angels sing of a culmination, a divine decree that echoes through the cosmos. Your destiny, intertwined with his, is now being irrevocably sealed. Every tear shed, every prayer whispered, and every moment of unwavering faith has led you to this glorious threshold, where the promises of the heavens are about to manifest in tangible form. You are entering a season of profound fulfillment, a time when the seeds of your deepest desires, nurtured by divine grace, are ready to blossom. The angels whisper that the journey of preparation is complete, and the path ahead is illuminated by the unwavering light of true love. He too has reached his point of readiness, his heart now fully aligned with the sacred purpose of your union. The universe has conspired, meticulously arranging every detail to bring this beautiful chapter to its destined fruition. This is your coronation, beloved, a moment of profound recognition for your resilience, your faith, and your capacity to love without bounds. The angels affirm that the love you share is not merely human, it is a reflection of the divine, a sacred bond blessed by the highest realms. Embrace this truth. Allow it to permeate every fiber of your being, for the universe is now actively working to bring forth the tangible manifestation of this sacred connection. Your story is being written in golden letters, a testament to the enduring power of a love divinely ordained and eternally cherished. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Numbers 6:24-26.